LA Mayor Karen Bass and other officials facing questions today in a federal hearing about homelessness. It comes after audits found both the city and the county are falling short tracking money spent on homeless programs. And as KCAL's Jeff Nguyen shows us, the mayor took a tough stance.
We got a whole bunch of people, children that's still living at Skid Row.
Kevin Call is known as the mayor of Skid Row. He made sure to be at the hearing inside the U.S. District Courthouse in downtown L.A. LA Mayor Karen Bass and other city and county elected officials were asked to be here following a blistering audit which identified problems with nearly $2.5 billion in funding that went through the Los Angeles Homeless Services Authority, or LAHSA.
I felt there was a lack of understanding in how they came to some of the conclusions.
County and city leaders did acknowledge there have been problems with accounting, but they say the independent audit does not show how to fix them. Judge David O. Carter, who's heard other homeless cases, did say the audit would not have happened without the cooperation from current city and county leaders who say they want to meet with auditors to figure out solutions.
Of course, people need to be housed, but that is not enough. There needs to be comprehensive services that are provided.
Judge Carter also said he didn't trust local leaders as an institution, which is why the lawyers for the LA Alliance for Human Rights asked the judge to assign a receiver or homeless czar with budgetary control.
The judge's patience is worn thin, our patience is worn thin, and on behalf of the people of Los Angeles, we are stepping forward and saying if the city and the county aren't going to do this, then the court has to step in.
The judge wasn't too keen on the idea of a receiver. He did order Mayor Bass to sit next to the city controller in court to work out a way for the controller to conduct a performance audit on homeless spending, but the mayor rejected it.
I don't think that that is warranted. The audit showed that there were a lot of problems. We already know this, and we are doing everything we can to address these problems.
The judge mentioned the latest homeless count from LAHSA did see a drop. Is that what you're seeing?
No, I'm not seeing that. I'm seeing that the numbers is a little bit higher than they was the first time that they did the count.
Judge Carter invited the local leaders back in court in May, and he encouraged them to get help from Governor Gavin Newsom to come up with some solutions. In downtown LA, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL News.